again. It's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I'm not sure what's going to happen now. I'm just going to play with this painting and hope for the best. I'm going to put down puddles of paint and use some cell activator. That was Meeden black. That was an Anita's white metallic with some pink in it. That was some folk art neon pink. There is some color shifting purple from folk art. That is a little bit of amethyst. This is some electric blue. There is my gold. I was going to put some white in. Here's a little bit of dioxazine purple. What else? What else? What else? What else? I think the turquoise. I have another turquoise I'd rather use. There it is. This is the Artist Loft Cobalt Blue. And I am going to take my tool. Actually, you know what I'm going to do first? I am going to take anything at all and let this fall down. And then let itself work its way up around, which actually looks fairly beautiful. So I'm thinking, do I want to do that? No. I'm going to do what I planned on doing to begin with. Use some Amsterdam white. Let it spread around on my stainless steel spatula. Put a little bit of the dioxazine purple in there. See how I like it? Think about putting some red in next time. And definitely want some red next time. Let's see if I'm right. Let's test out my theory. I don't know if that was a good test or not, but I am pretty happy with my result. I am going to test my theory a little bit right there. I'm going to grab a little orange this time. I'm just going to freeform it. There's my Amsterdam black. Use a little palette knife. Should have used some gold. I'm just going to use whatever's behind as something that's peeking through. Makes me want to go from the other side. I should do what I want to do. I've decided. So I'm going to put some of the Meeden white, excuse me, the Anita's white metallic, the Meeden black, some more of that pink. The white and the colors underneath are just going to help spread the paint. All the same colors within reason. I did like having that dioxazine purple in there. Or maybe I'm hallucinating that I put any in. That is the pink diamond color art. I'm wondering if I can get away with the same exact thing I just did. And that would be, try not to stick my finger in the painting. So I'm just going to take my tool. I want more turquoise. I can see that I want more turquoise right now. And I'd really like some more purple too, but I seem to have, there we go. And I said I was going to put red in and I didn't do that. So let's do that. Just because I can. Maybe it should have been orange. If you put a little orange in there, it'll make it better. Maybe if that doesn't make it better, this will. That's not going to help anything. But I have some of this, and that might. Alright, so I have the white. I like how the purple looks. Give myself some elbow room. I think I'm going to like this a lot better than I liked what I had, which is kind of irrelevant. I think I'm going to love it, actually, so long as I can keep tipping, which I might not be able to do as easily once I get a big bunch of puddles of paint. So I'm going to try the Anita's White Metallic as my dominant source. And maybe a few fewer colors, maybe. Start with the red. Go with the gold. Add the black after. Turquoise, which is cobalt blue from Artist Loft. Electric blue from Arteza. Oh, I thought that was plugged for some reason. Oh, I know it's plugged. This is plugged. It won't be if my sharp little tweezers work. Well, I got a little. I don't feel like wasting this paint at all, so I need a scrape dish. That's the bottom line. I'm not even sure I can scrape this off, but I'll give it a shot. Oh, I don't need to do... It mostly came off. This time I'm going to use the black and the purple. I'm going to attempt to let all that color become a part of this process right now. Everything's going to move. I'll make some minor adjustments with my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. They're on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is on my link tree. My link tree is below the video. I don't like that white there, so I think I'm going to blow it out a little bit. Let everything fall over somewhat. So far so good. I'm still having a good time. Although I kind of want to do that. I think I'm really liking the orange and I want some more orange and the lighter color yellow with it. I have too many bottles of paint too close to hand. Oh, there's some really pretty cells on this side I'm going to say goodbye to. That pink is as close to using the white as anything. This is the what I have left of my hot orchid. I'm going to stick with using some red. I want more gold again. I want to use the dioxazine purple instead of black. Somewhere here I have, yes, some pink diamond. And I did open that bottle. I didn't open it very much, but I opened it a little bit. I think what I want to do is move this down here right now before I put any cell activator on it. And that just proved to me that something wants to make cells no matter what. I'm going to scrape that off and wipe it off because it's orange. Use the purple and the white. The white and the black are Amsterdam. I don't know what this represents, but it's pretty cool. I want to bring that sheet of acetate back, although I'm not finding it, so I'll just use whatever's handy. Let everything flow a little bit. It's kind of filling in. I like the brighter colors. I hope they stay bright. That would be good. Scrape that off again. I want some turquoises and some greens this time. And I am taking a big risk. I think I'm going to grab a hold of some of this green gold from Folk Art. And do a little integration with a palette knife. I think I said I wanted some more. This could take a while. Where's my white? I'm going to try some of the Meeden white this time. I'm a little nervous about that. That's the amethyst. That's the hot orchid. If you need the name of something, just ask me. I am happy to help you out. If I put too much paint, I can't hit it all. I didn't do what I said I was going to do, but I do have some interesting colors and I like them. Is there any gold in there? No. Is there any black in there? No. Let's do what I have been doing, assuming I can find my little drip card without it sticking to the table too badly. Everything's still moving, but it's pretty. So I'm going for the white and the purple and maybe some more white again. And back to using my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link next to my second book, called Unlimited Possibilities. I like how different that yellow stripe is. as she changes it. And that will definitely move when I do the next one. I want some electric blue with some Venetian blue this time and some purple. So I'm gonna try it upside down. Let's use the Anita's white metallic. I should be trying a little tweak, something changed in every one. Not being overly careful, as you can see. I've got 2 minutes left. This is actually sort of kind of work. I'm gonna go grab my little card, figure out if I can let it all start to go across. Maybe a little help from my finger. So, if you guys are interested in purchasing an artwork, let me know through my email address. It's below the link tree. The link tree is under the video. It might be under Show More. But it's probably, in this case, it's probably the first link underneath. I'm just going to keep right on using my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. And expecting cells. Might be interested in letting that flow back a little bit, along with everything else. And I've got one more to go, and I better hurry up or I'm not going to get it, and I think I want it to be mostly orange. But that doesn't mean that I'm not going to start with some other things, including, this time, some more of that red, a little bit of that black. Got too many bubbles going. A little orange. I've got 1 minute left. You guys are going to see everything you need to see on another video at some point in time. If you check out my channel, you'll find created playlists, all playlists, and there's over 2,200 of them. If you want to be in the monthly drawing to help support the production of videos at the studio, look for the PayPal icon. It'll entitle you and get you an invitation to the monthly drawing. And you can see the prizes on the end screen. I love that big gap in there, and I like that smaller gap, and I'm going to just get busy right now because we're about to be gone. I love you guys. Come again. I don't know what that is, but it doesn't look like it belongs. And I do torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I love you guys. Check out my email address below the link tree, and my Amazon link is a great place to shop that helps me out. All kinds of wonderful stuff on that link tree. So I hope to see you there. Right, that's never going to happen. Bye for now. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Priscilla out.